Let me show you how to prepare this absolutely delicious and very easy cookies with 3 ingredients. This is absolutely delicious that it will be finished in no time. No flour required. Start by preheating the oven 10 minutes before you start baking at 160 degrees centigrade. Now to a bowl add eggs, add vanilla extract and mix together until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. And then add powdered milk and baking powder. Mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. At this point, you can stop, but if you're extra like me, add any toppings of your choice. I'm using chocolate chips. Mix together until well combined. And the batter is ready. Now transfer the batter into a Ziploc bag or a piping bag and place the batter on a baking tray like so. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for around 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Once it is ready, remove from the oven, allow to cool and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe. And until next time, remain blessed.